So what's up guys? So dito na tayo sa Hong Kong. Nakarating lang natin. So day 1. You know, Rolex agad oh. Sana all. Nagaling mo nga ito. Ang hirap Ang hirap na yun ng ano eh. Saan tayo tsawa?
Kahit tayo karinderya.
So first day, hanap muna tayo ng karinderya. Yun oh. What's up? Dam, how are you, Dam? You good? Are you excited for today? Yeah? What about you, Kuya? First time? Second time, na? Sana all second time. You feel? For you? Ha? Ay, takay, second time. Wala pa akong tanong na sumagot agad. Second time yarn. Let's go. Pakita mo na natin kung anong itsura daw. Ayun, Hong Kong. Ayun, Shibuya yan. Shibuya yarn. Ready na ba lahat? Madismaya pagbalik? Ready na ba guys? Madismaya pagbalik? Mas ako lang yung nagsasalita. Ba't ganon? Dati naman di ako nagsasalita. Nawa na ako sa'yo, papi.
Hanap pa tayo makain para may energy.
Ayun, diretso yan, no? Ayun, no, lakad mode. Lakad mode lang para exercise. Pakita natin yung view. First meal of the day, breakfast. So, ayun na nga. Order na nga tayo. Try natin yung mga pagkain dito sa Hong Kong. Legit ba? Kung legit ang lasa sa Hong Kong. You guys ready to order? Ben? Dam?
Apat pa lang
Wow.
wala pa si James.
A47. I call them. You order, Liam. Order.
Ikaw pa mausap.
Yeah.
English pa si ate.
In English, ah.
Maglalag na naman sabi na, ano order niyo ulit?
Can I have ano?
Sige na, have ano yun.
May filler palagi, ano?
May umorder sa inyo na ganyan? Yung
Yan
ganyan?
nga sa akin eh, roasted goose. Roasted goose. Yeah, it's roasted goose.
I hate goose.
I wanna try it if it's legit or not legit.
Disgusting. This one?
151 is this one. Then 1833.
Goose, bibigyan. Goose and
Goose.
goose and may
May isa pa, pili ka pang isa.
goose rice, goose and
Where's
Pili
the
ka pang isa.
option?
goose,
Goose,
goose rice.
goose rice.
Yeah. This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Then 839.
Yeah. Chicken.
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 Yes.
Okay.
This and then this.
Oh, hold on, chicken. Okay.
Chicken.
Okay. I slimang di. Yeah.
Oh, only water.
I slimang di Vitora.
What?
Vitora. Yes.
$3?
Yeah.
Free?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll get that.
Slimang di.
What?
Ice.
Ice.
Yes. Five.
For $5. Yes.
That's for free.
Five.
For,
Okay.
for free.
Vitora.
Is that for
Yes,
free?
yes.
5. Okay. Take that.
Tatanong mo free, baka
Oh.
i-chicken mo.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Tingnan mo yung tinuro.
Okay, na-record ko. Papakita ko sa kanya mamaya to.
Tingnan mo yung tinuro.
He said it's free. I have an evidence here. Sabi niya free guys. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung babayaran na. It's kami na naman tayo dito eh. First cam of the day. Ready na ba?
Nakakaloka ka, hindi nila ano yun. Loko ka ng 9 yun.
Kasi for free. I asked 3 times already, di ba?
Hindi nga nila.
Pero kasi yung ano na lang, may language ka.
Yeah.
Eh, paano mo muna?
Hindi, una sinasabi free.
Ano sinasabi ko?
Oo.
Oh, diba?
Ayan, tingnan mo dyan. Nalaman natin ngayon, nandito na yung... Dyan.
Wala naman ako itindihan, pero sige.
Ayan. $15 oh.
Tara?
$3.
$3 na.
So, chinek natin yung resibo. Sabi free. Yung pala,
Pala
$3. So, $15 for 5 person. Okay lang.
Tawag ba?
Ice water.
Oh,
Ice tubig. Sabi mo, may ice tubig kayo, te. Sarap naman.
Isa lang.
Unang kagat. Goose. How is it? Good? Not good?
Tutuwa ka.
Feeling ko kasi ano, hot water, parang compensate yung lamig na lang.
Let's try the food. Tsaka ka. Iba palang klase to. In-order mo.
Ay, meron mo palang drinks, no?
Yung free.
Yung 3.
$3.
Alright, so we're just done eating lunch. Right now, we're just gonna walk and explore Hong Kong. Lakad-lakad tayo. What's up, y'all? Damn, do not run! Lakad-lakad sa Hong Kong. Yun, oh, ang ganda naman talaga dito, guys. Ibang-iba talaga sa Pinas. Dam,
Kung sa atin to mukha ng politiko yan.
where are you, Dam? Exit 8? In Hong Kong? What's up, y'all? Lakad-lakad. More on lakad kasi talaga dito sa Hong Kong eh. So, ang bus nila dito may mga designated stops. So, pag yung pupuntahan mo, medyo malayo dun sa stop, kailangan talaga maglakad. Kaya okay lang yun, exercise na din. Kasi pag nagtatato tayo, wala tayong exercise. So, this is a good thing for us. It's fun, Dam. Yeah, watch out. Don't block his way down. Lakad-lakad. Sa kaya tama itong daanan nila sa ilalim talaga, no? Pag sa atin pa to, bahala ka na tumawid kahit saan. Let's go here. Yun na nga, nakalabas na nga sa exit 8. I feel like dancing. And mama, you turn me on. Your body like here, Dam. Just a little closer next to mine. Ito nga, dito tayo sa theater nila. Ang tawag sa theater nila, Grand Theater. Ayan o. Laki dito. Ayan o, hangganan o. Ayun na nga. There.
Saan ba?
Doon. Ayun na yung, naamoy ko na yung dagat eh.
Ay, kuya. Kahit naka-jacket na may araw ka. Pilipinas naman na tayo wala jacket.
Ang linis naman dito guys. Sana all.
Ang kinakatakot ko mamaya.
Sana all. Ang linis. Let's go.
Brown.
Yeah. What are you getting? What are you having? What? Ice cream? Is that yours? Is that yours? You wait, you wait. Yeah. Wow. How was it? Good? Great? Good? You can't even talk. What can you say about the ice cream?
Good.
Good?
It is good.
Really good.
Masarap yung milk tea dito kaya sa milk tea sa Pilipinas.
Ay, ayun lang talaga in order mo? Ay, bukangit. Wala tayong milk.
Masarap nila. Ito yung
Yun
masarap
ang high blood sugar.
Ito yung masarap sa
Milk tea yun.
Ito yung masarap sa kanila. Yung milk tea sa Pilipinas, mas masarap dito.
Legit? So legit ba yung ice cream ng Hong Kong?
Legit talaga.
Legit talaga. Naka-promo ba sila? Shares. HM. Yung HM. 31K. Mahal ah.
$31.
31K. Oh, 31K ang ice cream.
Ang mahal, $4.58. Hindi ko
Muli nga sa thrift store. Try natin. Baka meron doon. Hey! You busy?
Tapos mas malaki din yung lagay.
How's it? Good?
Kunin mo na.
This mine?
Yes.
It's yours. That's yours. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. For 31K.
That's mine, darn.
Brown sugar for 31K. Let me try it.
Sarap. Sarap ko. Favorite ko sa Lil ko. Kaya.
Guys, tatanta ko. Tatanta ko ng Pinas.
Kami na everybody.
HM. 31K.
No?
Mm.
$15.
Ay, yaman. $15. Ay, vlog natin ako. Kiloing tattoo guys. So, pa dyan. Hey. Kiloing tattoo. Let's go. Kiloing tattoo worldwide. Let's go. Sa mga gusto magpatattoo dyan, alam nyo na. Kiloing. Kasama natin si Papa Tinta, Papi, Daniel Ongkiko. You guys wanna get tatted? Y'all know what to do. DM now. Let's make it happen and let's get it done. Another one. You know, kakapit ulit tayo ng kiloing tattoo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kiloing tattoo in Hong Kong. Yeah, for real. So yun na nga guys. Ganap tayo ng stroller for Adam. Kasi pagod na siya maglakad. Hindi siya tulad natin na kayang-kaya sa lakaran. Ibang iba pag may dala kang bata din eh. So kung napagod, kailangan mong buhatin. So hanap na tayo stroller para laban na agad. Lalo na Disneyland bukas. Lakaran talaga yun.
10.
Eh, dos, mas malaki pa yung dos ah.
Wala, hindi
Lang.
kaya. Ako na.
You know, sorry ah.
Parang ano lang eh, parang...
Tingnan.
Vamos. Ay.
Ay. Ay. Thank you. Go to mom.
Liwat lang butan. Ah! Sige. Thank you po.
What did you say? What did you buy?
Uy, kinain mo na agad? Hindi pa yung hugasan niya? Parang,
Still good.
What's the taste?
Good.
Sweet? Sweet like butter.
Bakit?
Punta natin sa kabila, yung parang market.
Yung?
Market.
Oh, wait na nga, oh. Dun, dun, dun. Donkey. Dun, dun, donkey.
tawal, nilalamig na ako ah.
Tama na.
Ikaw talaga ang may idea na
Dun, dun, dun.
hindi malamig. Ikaw talagang bumili ng jacket sa akin.
Saan tayo sa?
Don 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 donkey. Don 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 donkey. Totoo pang tubig.
Oh, let's go this way. Kaya na naman tayo sa labas, mga idol. Tignan mo naman nga, oh. Oh, diba? Damn! 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 We gotta cross the road. Let's go, Dam. First time, Dam. Subway. First time, Subway.
Fourth time na ata.
Saan?
Singapore, Malaysia.
Ay, may Subway pa sa ano? Oo nga pala may Subway sa ano. Okay. Ah, MRT.
Ka, naka 10,000 steps na yan.
Ilan na kaya ngayon? Baka naka-11.
Sana all may Subway. Diba? Sana all may move it lang.
Ay, na-all 14 na.
Try not to hold. Hey, stop touching the pole.
Talo na sa trip to
Stop touching the pole. Come on, one more time.
Ganun na naman talaga. Talaga na pa.
One more time, Dam. Hey, you're leaning. You're cheating.
Ito na, di ba?
Dinner time. Dinner time. Where to go?
Go to the bus stop.
What?
Go to the bus stop.
We're not going there. So Saan tayo?
Kaya tayo dyan sa Coco.
Hindi tayo ng bus. Ay, yung may Michelin star. May Michelin star. Anong area to?
Dito tayo ngayon
Isang...
sa authentic Hong Kong local food. Tingnan natin yung menu. Yun, no? Like here, Dam?
Malis ka dyan, Dam.
Dam, you can't see it.
Huwag mong ipunas yung damit mo dyan. Huwag mong ipunas.
I'll take a picture of you. Dito yung ginawa, Pin. Kaya puro ganyan sa sasakyan eh.
May tram rin pala sila dito eh. May tram sila.
Oo nga, yung
I already ate donut earlier. Nah, that's too much sweet.
Pili ako.
That's enough for today.
Magkano ba yan?
Salted caramel. Salted caramel.
She wants salted caramel.
I want salted caramel.
No, just one only.
Just one.
No. Let's
Oh, let's go, Dam. Let's go.
let's go. Let's go. It's way too long. 20 minutes. Maybe later. Busy area. Yeah, pwede yan.
Nakaka-overwhelm ako.
No, isa lang. Yeah, we're gonna eat piranha. Ayan guys. Parang siyang karindire guys, pero ang dami kumakain. So, try namin to. Mukha naman masarap yung pagkain. So, ito na yung dinner namin. After ng mahabang paglalakad, magdi-dinner na tayo ngayon. Busin guys ha, kanina din naubos. Okay? Finish your food, okay? Do not waste it. Alright? Okay, let's eat. Let's go. What are you telling me earlier?
We know we're going to airport, so we go to Hong Kong. We're Hong Kong, and this thing is good. But I
You
eat,
like this place?
yeah, and
If you're gonna rate it from 1 to 10, how will you rate it?
100 out of 10 because
Just rate it from 1 to 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Perfect score? Why?
Because I ate on piranha.
You ate piranha? Is that even allowed here?
Yeah, sure.
That is not a piranha.
So what is
That's a
it?
pampano. It's
So
a
what is it?
it's a pampano.
It's fake piranha.
Fake piranha. It looks like piranha, but it's not piranha at all.
So we're going to Disneyland. We go to.
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
We're gonna go. My mom and dad go to Taiwan. This is my dad. His name is Kirin Tattoo.
My name is Kidoing Tattoo.
So
It's not my name. You know my name? What's my name?
Adam James.
Adam James. You're Adam James. I'm not Adam James.
James.
You don't know my name? I'm your father.
I didn't know your name from 80s.
Oh my goodness.
So I was just joking. We're going to Disneyland now, but almost. This is the last day. We're going
This is the last day? I thought you were gonna stay for 5 days.
Yeah. So what is the day?
It's our day 1? First day?
First day to go in Hong Kong.
First night. First day and first night.
Yeah. So all of my family are going to Hong Kong. So Kuya is staying in the hotel because he's always being rude.
It's being worldwide.
Because it's always bullying me, everyone in the earth. So he's going to hell.
Kuya is a bully? Kuya is a bully?
Yeah.
You are too.
Yeah, I know.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I know.
Not sometimes, most of the time.
Yeah. So, what is this restaurant? What is that restaurant, yo?
What is this restaurant? You answer that.
I cannot.
Chinese food? You like the Chinese food?
Yeah, but I thought this is a piranha or something. No, just wait.
Yeah. I already recorded the food earlier.
Yeah. So we're gonna edit this channel of Kidding Tattoo, even me,
Yeah. Why are you going to edit it?
because we're brothers, and you're
We're brothers.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
So we're a new my dad have a new client, back sleeve, half sleeve.
Back sleeve. Half sleeve.
Yeah. My dad have a new friend, ganyan ang Kiko, for like Papa Pinta,
His name is
Papi,
Papa
Tinta.
Papa Tinta.
Yeah. So yeah,
What's his real name?
Papi.
No, his real name. Daniel.
Ganyan ang Kiko. Ganyan ang Kiko. Yeah, so we're going to Disneyland and we're gonna see the tour. Are we gonna see the show?
Yeah, you're gonna see the show. Are you excited?
And like and subscribe.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and like and subscribe to my brother James.
Your brother James.
Yeah. So you have to subscribe and like and subscribe. So comment and link the video if you want tattoo.
I want you to invite them for our upcoming clients. Invite them, please.
And we have a big discount.
You have a big discount?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Are you on promo?
Yeah.
What's your promo?
Back sleeve.
Back sleeve. Back sleeve, hindi ba pinagsama mo yung back piece tsaka half sleeve ah?
Like this video and go to the channel if you want a tattoo. Even Daniel and Kiko. This is his channel the last time. So like and subscribe to the videos.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Finish this, Dad.
Want me to finish this?
Yeah.
Alright, so you all heard that. So what are you guys waiting for? If you guys want to get tatted, you'll know what to do. DM now. Let's make it happen. And let's
Go!
done. Let's go. Yun na nga guys, katatapos na natin kumain. So, sarap. Napadami ang kain ni Kido Inc. Napasobrang kain ni Kido Inc. Yan talaga pag nagbabakasyon. Enjoy lang kasi pagbalik natin, laban na naman yan. Mga kliyente natin dyan. Antayin nyo ang pagbabalik ni Kido Inc. I'll be giving out quick promos when I get back. So stay tuned. I'll be posting it on my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So if you guys want to get tatted or take advantage of the promos that we're gonna have, all you have to do is check out the page and see or DMS to know more about the details of the promo, and from there we'll see. Dance. Damn. Show me, Lance. Lance. Show me. What do you want? What is that? Read it. What is it? Crunchy what? Chocolate? Oh, you gotta pay first. You can't open it, you're gonna get mad.
Nuro ko talaga. Again talaga. And then this is not the Godzilla one. Find the Godzilla one. I recommend.
The rare one. Yung...
It's secret.
Oh, Starbucks na maliliit na kape yun. Kuha na mo.
Red Bull because there's no black.
And there's Bulbul. Kuha has Bulbul. And Kuha has Bulbul, okay?
Ano yung kinain natin sa live?
And also Atsi. Atsi has Bulbul too. And Adam, soon you're gonna have Bulbul, okay? Few more years and you're gonna have Bulbul, okay? He doesn't know what Bulbul is.
What are you asking? What?
Kuha will give you one later.
What's that? What is?
What is that?
Kuha will give you one later.
What?
So you will know what it is.
Louder, what are you asking? What is?
The freaking
Bukod sa sunblock na siya, ano pa siya, yung parang, ano ba naman, letter C eh.
Sunblock tapos.
Mas ano pa siya, yung parang nawawala yung oily. Effective eh.
Anong letter C?
Yung parang simula.
Sa letrang C? Bingo yarn. Sa letrang C ba yarn?
Ay, yakol. Baby shark daw.
Don't find the bull again, okay?
Ayo, look at this. This is a game.
Isang buo.
Ami!
Lukas papaw. Lukas papaw na buo.
Uy, binili mo talaga magalit ko.
Dam, I can see you, Dam. What is that? Can I have one? Give me one. How does it taste?
Can I have one?
He wants one. Would you give him? Damn, you're being selfish again. Give go, share your food. Sabi ko, Tim.
Wow. Anong gagawin na? Wala.
At natapos na mag-shopping ang mga bagets. So, dito naman tayo sa labas. Naglalakad na naman tayo. Dam!
Good.
Good? Don't be selfish.
Too many now.
You need to share your food.
Finish.
Yeah, I know.
Hawa. Say yourself.